How to redeem Sephora gift card online. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can redeem Sephora gift card online. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up a web browser and simply search for Sephora and head over to its website. You can directly head over to this website as well. And after you do that, you can just select a product that you like. So I'm just going to go through here, select a product. And after you select a product, you will have to add it to cart or basket. Tap on add it to basket and then tap on checkout. After you tap on checkout, you can log in into your account if you have an account, or you can create one as well. I'll just check out as a guest here. And after I do that, I'll have to fill out this form and the shipping details, the gift message and payment method and stuff like that. If you have a gift card, you can simply type the code here, and after you do that, you will get the discount, or you'll get the gift cards worth of discount here. And it's that simple. That is how you redeem the gift card of Sephora. And that is all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.